Non. Afam Mungozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel. Open Ata with the inner form, not really. I promise you a truckload of fun, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Okay? In today's video, we are going to talk about farm tools in Igbo language. That is ngwa oluugbo. Ngwa oluugbo, ngwa oluugbo. Farm tools. Okay? Before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, turn on your notification bell, and hit the subscribe button so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Ngwan, kai waponi also. Okay? Good. The first on our list today is cutlass. The cutlass. We call it obuadana. Obuadana or mma obeji. Mma obeji or nnukwu mma. Nnukwu mma. Either of these three is correct. Okay? Mma obeji, nnukwu mma or obuadana. Alright? Yes. The next on our list is the watering can. The watering can. We call it the watering can. We call it mgbamili. 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 Okay? We also have the axe. Anyuike or anyoshi. Anyuike or anyoshi. Okay? Good. We have the rope. Elili. 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 We have the basket. Nkata. 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 The next one is the hoe. Ogu. 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 Then the knife. We have mma. 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 We also have the pick. You know the pick. We usually use the pick for harvesting. That is for digging, either for digging, but mostly for harvesting. Harvesting tuber crops. That's the yams, our cassavas, and cocoa yams, and what have you. Okay, we call that ngu, ngu or nguana, ngu or nguana. That is for the pick. Okay, it's that simple. We have many of them, but today I'm just treating a few, the common few. Okay, all right, now let's repeat everything we've learned. We have the cutlass. That is nnukwu mma. Nnukwu mma or mma obeji. Mma obeji or obuadana. Obuadana. We have the watering can. Mgbamili. Mgbamili. We have the axe. Anyoshi or anyuike. Anyoshi or anyuike. Okay? That is anyuike. Okay? Fine. We have the knife. Mma. Mma. Then the basket. Nkata. Nkata. Then we have the hoe. Ogu. Ogu. Then the last but not the least is the pick. The pick, which we normally use for harvesting our tuber crops and also for digging. Okay? We call that ngu or nguana. Ngu or nguana. Ejimnaka na nkuzi nke taa nwere uru ọ bara gị. Ngwa nke ọ dị n'oge ọzọ. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload the next video, you will be the first to be notified. Ka ọ dị n'oge ọzọ. Bye.